की रपट लिखाने।
हाँ साहब।
तुम लोग क्या सोचते जी, हम लोग यहाँ पे खाली बैठे हैं, टाइम देखे रात के 12 बजे 12, इतनी रात को पूछने चले हैं कि कार मिली कि नहीं।
नहीं साहब, कार तो मिल गई।
हाँ साहब, चोर खुद ही छोड़ के चला गया घर पे।
तो फिर इतनी रात को कायकू आए जी, मिठाई खिलाने वास्ते?
नहीं साहब, सिनेमा गए थे तो घर पे पीछे से चोरी हो गई।
हाँ साहब, 1000 लीटर पानी चोरी हो गया।
पानी, वो भी 1000 लीटर। पहले तो तुम लोग ये बताओ, तुम्हारे पास इतना पानी आया कहाँ से?
साहब वो क्या है ना साहब, बेटे के ससुर ने दहेज में 1000 लीटर पानी ही दिया था।
वाह भाई वाह, मान गए तुमको। जो दहेज में 1000 लीटर पानी लिया, तू इधर को क्या कर रहा? जाके मेरे को चाय ला।
सब मालूम मेरे को, रिश्वत का जुगाड़ बैठाएगा इन्हों मेरे को दूर भेज के।
ठीक है, तुम्हारा काम तो हो जाएगा, पर तुम लोग मेरे को 1000 में से 100 लीटर पानी देते कि नहीं?
देते साहब, देते साहब।
ये थोड़ा धीरे बोलो, सारे लोग सुन लेते। ठीक है, तुम्हारा काम हो जाएगा, फिक्र नको करो।
हाँ साहब, बस आप उस पानी वाले चोर को पकड़वा दीजिएगा। धन्यवाद साहब।
धन्यवाद साहब।
चलो, आज तो बीवी बहुत खुश हो जाएगी। घर में 100 लीटर पानी जो आ रहा है, वो भी एक ही बार में। मेरे को कितना बड़ा ड्रम लगेगा? इतना इतना, मेरे को तो बहुत बड़ा ड्रम लगेगा, उसका भी इंतजाम कर लूंगा मैं।
हमको भी हेलो हेलो साहब, साहब चाय लीजिए ना।
रख दो।
वो लोग चले गए साहब।
चुप। हवलदार, तू 4 सिपाही लेके जा और उस पानी वाले चोर को पकड़।
यस सर। वो सर, मेरे को कुछ मिल सकता है?
कुछ बोला?
नथिंग सर, ऑन ड्यूटी।
सर मैं चोर नहीं हूँ सर मैं चोर नहीं हूँ सर मैं चोर नहीं हूँ सर तो गलत फहमी हुई सर नहीं सर मैं चोर नहीं हूँ सर, माफ कर दो सर। ठीक है, मैं तुझे नहीं मारूं, मैं तुझे इस डंडे से हवलदार, अब तू इसे संभाल। हेलो, यस मिस्टर अमित। हाँ, आपका चोर पकड़ा गया है। हाँ, आप जल्दी से थाने पहुंच जाइए। हाँ, जैसा मैंने कहा था मैंने वैसा ही किया। आप आइए थाने जल्दी से। हवलदार, अब मैं इसे संभालता हूँ। चोरी करता है और फिर माफी भी मांगता है। ये ले।
नमस्ते इंस्पेक्टर साहब।
नमस्ते, ये रहा आपका चोर।
यही है वो।
मारो अच्छे से मारो, डंडे से मारो।
ये ले।
नहीं साहब, माफ कर दो साहब, माफ कर दो साहब।
ये ले।
माफ कर दो साहब। नहीं साहब, सर आप बड़े आदमी हो ना साहब, आप लोग तो पानी खरीद के पी लेते साहब, हम गरीब आदमी क्या करें साहब, घर पानी से तरस रहा है साहब, इसलिए चोरी किया साहब, माफ कर दो साहब, माफ कर दो।
क्यों मार रहे थे इसे?
इसने पानी की चोरी की थी।
पानी? इसकी गलती नहीं है, इसकी गलती नहीं है। गलती तो दादी तुम्हारी जनरेशन की, बल्कि तुम्हारी दादी की दादी की दादी की जनरेशन की है। पहले के लोगों ने पानी की इतनी बर्बादी की है, इतनी बर्बादी की है कि सब लोग बूंद बूंद के लिए तरस रहे हैं। हाँ।
तुझे गजरा के दमके, चमक चमक देखो बिजुरिया चमके, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन मन धड़काए बदरवा। काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ, बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ। काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ, बिजली की तलवार नहीं बूंदों के बाण चलाओ। मेघा छाए बरखा लाए, घिर घिर आए, घिर आए, कहे ये मन मचल चल संभल संभल, गए दिन बदल तू घर से निकल, बरसने वाला है अब अमृत जल। दुविधा के दिन बीत गए भैया मलहार सुनाओ, घनन घनन गिर गिर आए बदरा, घन घन घोर कार छाए बदरा, धमक धमक तुझे बदरा के डंके, चमक चमक देखो बिजलियां झमके, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन धड़काए बदरवा, मन मन धड़काए बदरवा। When will the rains come? Everyone is waiting for the rains. Coming up now are the students, all set to entertain you with a good dose of laughter through the Telugu skit, written and directed by our students. The skit depicts the story of a doctor and his compounder who think that water is the panacea to all diseases. Here comes the skit to tickle all our funny bones.
We are glad to inform you that our chief guest, Sri BHPS Narayan Murthy Sir, distinguished scientist and director and the DOMS RCI, Colonel GDG Prasadaraju, have just arrived. On behalf of the principal, staff and students, I extend a very warm welcome to you, sirs. I now request our principal, Shri T.
Everybody, I feel honored to extend a hearty welcome to our distinguished chief guest of today's function, Sri BHPS Narayan Murthy, distinguished scientist and director RCI. And I also invite other guests, Colonel GDG Prasadaraju, DOMS RCI, Sri Anil Kumar, scientist F, Deputy DOMS, and Chairman BMC, Sri Maruti Sairam, scientist E, Secretary BMC, Sri Arun Kumar Mahodaya, scientist E, Treasurer BMC, our co-chairman, BMC, all the distinguished members. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome the senior officials of RCI and members of the previous BMC, parent community, and invited guests, teachers, and my beloved students. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my customary duty to present before you a brief roundup of the current academic session. I believe that the purpose of education is to replace an empty mind with an open mind. The direction in which education starts a child will determine his future life. The whole object of education should be to develop the mind that works and to free the child's potential by instilling in him a curiosity to learn so that he will continue to learn as long as he lives. There is a great saying, real education fetches you more than a job. It teaches you to live. It cannot be measured in any tangible way. Our school has always remained a center for a great number of activities, providing opportunities and exposure for the children to a wide variety of invaluable learning experiences. Coming to academics, excellence in academics is the hallmark of a good institution, and the class 10th results of our school prove without an iota of doubt that our students have made us proud. The credit of the excellent performance is attributed to a number of new initiatives undertaken by the teachers and the school. Teaching that includes activities removes the stress in learning and provides opportunity to the children to participate in various activities and helps them to earn better credits. In class 10 board examinations, our school secured 100% results for the 19th consecutive year. From the academic year 2017-18, CBSE has announced new assessment structure reverting to the annual examination pattern from the continuous and comprehensive evaluation pattern which was existing from the academic year 2009 and 10. Even though the change was in the middle of the academic year, due to the tireless effort of our teachers and the students, we secured 100% results, even though there is a change in the assessment structure, and the top scorer secured 96.6%. To my knowledge, most of the schools started digital classes in a phased manner, that is 5 classes at a time and then next 5 classes in this way. But our school is the first school in the entire Telangana to start the digital classes with ultra short through projectors for the entire school, which includes our pre-primary section at one go. Actually, these digital classes enhance the teaching learning process in the school. Jignasa program is another initiative taken up by the VMC to improve the reading and speaking skills among the children. Under this project, school is providing class-appropriate magazines and newspapers to the students at free of cost so that they can have the process of learning and speaking to improve their learning and speaking process. These are some of the many initiatives which are taken up by the VMC. Another thing is Atal Innovation Mission under Niti Aayog is establishing Atal Tinkering Labs in 1 lakh schools all over India. Our school is one of the school which is selected for establishing ATL. Till now 5,000 schools were selected. Ours is one of the school. The primary aim of establishing the school is to ignite innovation among the children. Atal Innovation Mission and Niti Aayog sanctioned rupees 20 lakhs for this project and they released 12 lakhs. We procured all the material required for the lab and the lab will be functioned. And all the parents, I request, please motivate your children to be part of this lab because it is the endeavor of the Niti Aayog to inculcate the habit of innovation and make most of the people to go towards the scientific bent. And coming to the sports and games events, strenuous exercise and interest in games is an outlet for the vigor of youth. Ample opportunities were provided to our children to play and prove their mettle in various sports and games at school and secured gold and silver medals. Coming to the CCA activities in the school, co-curricular activities provide children opportunity to showcase their talents. Housewise and open house competitions were conducted throughout the year in solo song, drawing, painting, English extemporary, English recitation, group song, group dance, etc. Our students participated in KVR science quiz, times quiz, inter-school science quiz examinations and won prizes. Our children participated in a number of drawing and painting competitions conducted by Petroleum Conservation Research Association, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Postal Department, CDAC, and Postal Department to design the stamp and won the prizes. Coming to the NCC, this year we have a large contingent of NCC girls cadets from our school. That is, nearly 20 children are taking part in NCC and they attended the camp conducted by the unit. I am in touch with the commander officer of 7th Telangana Battalion and very soon our school will get the girls unit for the NCC. Coming to the library, in our library it has been enriched with subscriptions for more number of newspapers, magazines, educational periodic and acquisition of a large number of books in fiction and in all the school subjects both in Hindi and English. Students are getting benefited by this. Ladies and gentlemen, the teacher's job is to help children change for better. The process of teaching is a cooperative endeavor. I wish to take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all my staff members with whose cooperation we have been able to carry out all programs and academic activities. I would also like to express my grateful thanks to the Director RCI, Chairman VMC, all our VMC members, the parent community, and the ex-VMC members and students whose wholehearted cooperation has enabled us to complete all our tasks successfully. Jai Hind.
Durga Ganapati Prasad Raju, Director Management Services RCA, and my co-VMC members, respected Sri TSR Shastri, Principal DLS RCA, and respected teachers who are of the dais, respected parents, and obviously my most beloved kids. Good evening to you all, and a warm welcome to all of you from Vidyalaya Management Committee, DLS RCA. Before I get into my actual talk, I am unable to control myself without applauding the whole team consisting of principal, the dynamic leader, and teachers, supporting staff, and those who are directly or indirectly involved in training the kids, for enabling the kids to showcase such a fantastic cultural activity so far we have been watching here. Already the major achievements of school have been addressed by principal, but from the desk of Chairman Defense Lab School RCA, I just want to say one sentence. Our teachers are excellent. The academic track record, the academic achievements, absolutely there is no shortfall under the dynamic leadership of the principal. This is a heart-touching feeling for us to be part of this BMC. And as far as the kids are concerned, today is your day. We have been watching for the last 1.5 hours. Mind-boggling performance by all of you. I just want to give one message to the most beloved children of the school. Normally, the primary objective of you is to focus on your education and evolve thereby and finally reach your destination. But I strongly would like to advise, along with your primary objective, you should have one essential quality that is called social consciousness. Look at the eminent personality, His Highness Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In spite of his hectic pressure from IGMDP program what he has taken, he has definitely spent without any doubt towards said social consciousness. He has been contributing in developing lightweight artificial legs for those handicapped people, and also spent some time, gave good contribution towards development of low-cost stents for heart patients. So taking that as inspiration, I would like to advise you, I am not suggesting you to deviate from your primary objective. You should concentrate on your education. Along with that, you should have social consciousness. I just want to elaborate with a few statements. How do we implement social consciousness? Look at the old-aged people. Look at the perennial problems what they have been encountering across their day-to-day life. Just take one example. When I used to stay in apartment, there were so many occasions when lift not used to function properly, watchman not used to be there. That point of time, at the age of 40, I used to feel it very difficult to carry a minimal luggage across the steps. So today we have been listening to so many innovations towards whether you call robo or drones and all. But I strongly advise you to think of something which will be extremely useful to a common man. Why I am specifically highlighting that point here is, it has got an apt relation to our school, because as principals are mentioned, we have got Atal Tinkering Lab, which is going to be set in our school, where we are going to get 3D printer and all those things, and sky is the limit for you, and we are planning in such a way every student of this school will be exposed to various tools